back and better than ever. That's right, it's me, your boy, and I'm here with another RK Royal keyboard. That's right, RK L75 mechanical keyboard. We're gonna think about it, we're gonna unbox it, we're gonna play some game with it, and then I'm gonna tell you if it's worth your hard-earned cash or not. Alright, so it's 85 keys, triple mode, wireless keyboard. Metal volume knob, M1 through M5 custom keys, diverse RGB backlit. We got a little owner's manual right here, the cover. Oh, I love that color scheme, dude. I say that every video, and I'll say it again. All I care about is the color. Like that. Ooh, and we got the little RK Well right there. We'll go ahead and take that plastic off. Yes, sir. Ooh. Very nice. Nice and shiny now. Sound test. Overall, I'd say pretty quiet, not super loud. Definitely not asking to be loud, not trying to be super quiet either. Got a little clicky there, got a little knobby there, got a little Bluetooth dongle on the top. Very nice. A little switch. One's for Bluetooth wired, and then the other one is G. I don't know what that is. Oh, another USB pass-through. Oh, yes, dude. RK Royal, you guys are doing things right. And then your Type-C. I thought the keyboard was broken, but that's by design. I was like, uh-oh, cute little design. I like that. They care over there, man. Let me tell you. You know, they're not cheaping out on stuff yet. You know, you gotta catch a company before they start cheaping out on stuff. You know what I mean? Keycap switch puller. Power cable, extra switches. Okay, so it's diverse RGB backlit, cherry profile, PBT keycaps, DIY software supports, hot-swappable RK Well-lubed switches, 8,000 mAh battery capacity. You come in 3 colors. It's got night black, mocha brown, which is the one that I chose, of course, and olive green. Oh, which is the one I chose? This is olive green. Oh, okay. Oops. Yeah, mocha brown is all brown keys in the middle. So then you have, this is green. I see, I'm colorblind. Okay. And then you have tactical beige switch or your linear cream switch, which I'm pretty sure I got the cream switches. We got 22 different lighting modes, 5 sound dampening layer, seamless tri-mode connectivity, macro keys and volume control knob. Easily check the battery level by pressing FN plus enter and recharge fully in approximately 16 hours. Hot swappable keyboard with custom switches. You have the RK linear cream switches, and those have smooth, quiet keystrokes, or the tactile beige switches for quick, satisfying feedback. I'm assuming I went for the linear cream switches, smooth, quiet keystrokes, so the extra ones that we have in the bag should be linear cream switches. I always go for the silent, baby. Those are way better. Okay, let's plug it in. USB pass-through. That's crazy, man. All right. RGB looks like about the same kind of RGB that they had on the other, what was it? The S98. I love RK Royal, dude. It's affordable. They got macro keys. Yeah. Controls the volume. That works. All right. You got FN, control your speed. Now it's slow. Now it's really fast. Now it's dim. Now it's bright. And you have your different modes. I like that one. That one's cool. Oh, yeah. Dude, they know what's up with these lighting modes, man. Yeah, so I guess we're just gonna hop into some game. Probably some more Marvel Rival. Painfully Addicted. Yeah, I have high hopes for this thing. RK Royal is pretty good, man. I'll tell you what. Let's do it, mate. Let's do this. Let's fucking do this thing, mate.
All you need to do is capture the mission area. Got it?
Don't need enhanced senses to smell that something's off here.
That one hurts.
The Spider-Man's crazy.
Tandy needs help.
I like the cold.
Spider-Man.
I want your soul.
I am barely harmed.
I want your soul.
Let's go. Freaking Jeff. Hey, bro. Relax. Chill, bro.
Pick up behind you.
Spider-Man, you're weak. You're weak. You're wrecked.
You need me.
Jeff, you're so annoying, brother. Can somebody shoot the fucking Jeff? What does this do? Let's go.
Get that vehicle to its destination. You need me.
I'm a bird.
Even a spider totem.
I need to stop spamming.
Please, we're hurt.
I want your soul.
Someone kill that Hulk. Wait, this wall? I'm getting clapped? Am I cooking the Spider-Man? I can't tell. I didn't cook him, but he did indeed get cooked.
Find that soul. I will protect Spider Zero on her journey to the weak.
Let's go.
You're halfway there. Keep going.
Here's this life.
Bro, this Jeff is a criminal.
Together to victory!
Come on, Venom.
Why would I need healing?
Find that soul. Hell unleashed!
Help. So cold. Almost there. Don't turn back now.
Never miss! Don't mess with the amazing Spider-Man!
Am I getting webbed right now? This Spider-Man is so annoying.
Assemble!
Here's this life. I am barely harmed. Find that soul.
I'm hurt.
Here's this life.
Turn around. I suck.
Bro, what is that? Whoa.
Find that soul.
We ain't gonna let you down. You may still be useful after all, Captain.
I suck.
I'm stuck.
The vehicle reached a checkpoint. Keep up the Just embrace the light.
That's a weapon of war, Captain.
That one hurt. We strong together. There's Sir Fujikawa.
Here's this life.
Together to victory! You're never alone. Here they are.
I will protect
Double KO.
I'm barely harmed.
That's it. Don't let anything stand in your way.
This guy's just sitting here. Hello? Get out of here.
Woo! I never miss! That's a weapon of war.
Grand finale. So close. This is your big chance. Co-op time.
Can I destroy this? Oh, I wasted my ult. I'm so upset.
Berserker! Rage!
Did we win?
Another epic victory.
I'll take it. There's no way I'm MVP, but I'll take that. Hey, let's go! Let's go. All right, ladies and gentlemen, that was the RK L75. As usual, RK Royal Kludge. You guys did an amazing job. I mean, you have extra stuff in here that nobody else has that shows that you care about the consumer. And you have my continued support. These are great little keyboards. Definitely take a look. Like I said, $79.99. So definitely check it out. Highly recommend. And I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye. Subscribe. Or else.